Hi, Carolyn here with you today from Indigo Bluebirds. I'm going to make a card using Queen of Hearts from the Alice range. Ignore the dirty laminate. So we're going to stamp this. Going to be sort of a one layer card. So let's start with stamping the Queen of Hearts. I'm going to use Versafine Clair Twilight, and then we're going to do some painting as well using Stroke of Midnight. So I've kind of gone for a blue theme kind of with this one. I'm just going to do it on a A5 or sort of, well, it's going to be an A6 card, but we're going to do it landscape. But what I want to do is stamp the Queen kind of on this side of the card. So I want to get this as close to the bottom as possible, so excuse my head. Let's see, that looks like it's lined up. There we are. Let's give this a good press. There we are. So there's the Queen of Hearts stamped in the Twilight. And now I'm just going to use Stroke of Midnight then to let's put some on here. To bring the colour out in the, there we are. So I'm just going to highlight kind of some of these bits. Let me put my glasses on. And that's a bit dark. Get a tissue. Let's get my rag. Take some of that paint off. I'm just going to highlight some of these areas here, and then we'll go over it when it's dry. Let's do some darker. Let's see which other bits. Let's do these bits as well. And then where the shading is, you kind of just take the paint that bit darker. Let's just add some kind of on there. do these, they look like ribbons. I'm not being too neat with this. Just don't want to get my head in the picture. And cover up what I'm doing. Do a bit more on there. Which other bits? We'll just add a bit kind of down here. And just going over where the shaded bits are. Don't want to cover too much up. Got to take something. I think that's as much as I'm going to do in there. Okay. So that's the painting done. Right, let's move that out of the way. And now we'll stamp the words. So let's just move that. Let's see if I can get that in the middle of here. Where have I put my ink? Ah, there it is. Okay. I've cut my I've cut that first really. I should really stamp and then cut it out, but let's see. Is that? Oh, that's not too bad. There we go. And then I'm going to draw a line, squiggly line around the edge. also, if you've got a crocodile, I'm going to punch a hole in here. There we are. And let's put in let's put that in there. And now you use this bit of the crocodile then to push that in there, and then that then pushes that together. There we are. There we are. So that's going to go on the card like that. And then, because I've drawn around this edge, then we'll draw around the card as well. Just nothing too, just a squiggly line, kind of going around the edge. Oh, excuse Henry. There must be someone out the front. Whenever anybody walks past, whenever any dogs go past, he barks. And the postman's not been yet, so he will bark again when the postman arrives. Okay, so that's my card. That's the words, and then I've got then you just take kind of some little, I've got some little things I got from India. They're like a little bell, but they don't make a noise. And then you can add fabric and lace to that. Put that behind. And use a bulb pin. So what I've done is the one I made earlier. So I've used kind of some blue fabric, a bit of lace, a bit of fabric, and then I've just put the bulb pin through the card, then so that attaches to the card. So just a quick make from me today, but kind of hope you like it, and if you give it a go, kind of do share what you make on the I Love Indigo Blue group Facebook page, or if you've got your own pages, if you tag at Indigo Blue HQ, so we can all see kind of what you've made. So yeah, hope you like it and give it a go. Bye.